Hey guys, welcome to Mike and May's Great Adventure. So, I said earlier we're going down to the same glass factory we did before. But we started recording Bradford. We were already most of the way through it. It's a cool little town, just nestled in the mountains. Like I said in the other video, this is called the Icebox of Pennsylvania. They always record the lowest temperatures in Pennsylvania here in this town. And I missed the Zippo factory. I'm not sure how many people outside the U.S. are familiar with Zippo lighters. But Zippo lighter is like a kind of like an institution in the United States. Almost everybody's owned one, whether you smoke or you don't. They're good to take along camping, to start fires. You know, when I was younger, all the people out there my age would understand this. You couldn't wait till you were old enough to have your own Zippo lighter. And I still have my first one somewhere. I have it packed away. They have lighters that kind of look like Zippos, but they never work as well. They're built cheaper. The hinges are weak. They don't seal. All your fluid evaporates out. But we're gonna go by the Zippo factory down here just a little bit, and I never knew that it was in Pennsylvania. Looking at it, I'm going to say it's probably the only one, because it's decent size, and Zippo lighters aren't very big, so you wouldn't need a gigantic warehouse to produce Zippo lighters. Right here it is, huh? That sign. And if you look over there at the building, see the Zippo lighter on that building. And then this is the manufacturing right here, these buildings.
Oh, this one?
Yeah. So, that's the Zippo lighters. Right in Bradford, Pennsylvania. Never knew it. I'm just going to cut this video here. I just wanted to bring that to you because it bothered me that I missed it the other day. And I got a second chance to get it and bring it to you. So thank you for watching, everybody. Please subscribe, comment, share, and like. Until next time.